everybody, and welcome to another weekly update from myself, Sarah Lean. So in this week's Azure news, there's two bits of news that I want to call out. So a new preview service is Azure Monitor Log Analytics data export. So this now allows you to try and export more of your data into Azure storage so that you can retain it, but you're retaining it at a low cost point as well. So it's great to have log analytics and have all those logs, but you don't want to be storing them in the most expensive place. So with this new export service, you can now take that data out into Azure storage and use a low cost option for keeping those logs. So if you've got log analytics in your environment, definitely check out this new preview service and see if it can be implemented to help you save some costs. Now the second bit of news is, when generally available, is the point in time restore for Azure Blob, and this allows you to set up a management policy to try and set up a retention of things so that if something gets corrupt or something gets deleted by mistake, you have some kind of point in time restore as well that you can bring that file back. So again, something to have a look at and dive into if you're using Azure Blob storage. So in terms of me this week, I have been busy. I have been working on that video project that I mentioned last week. I've also been working on blogs that are going to go with this video series. Yeah, there's various different planning things going on for this blog series. It's quite intense, a lot of out of hours work because a lot of the people are based in Seattle, but it should be quite good. I'm excited to see what happens with that. I've also been involved in getting some interest around the Glasgow Azure User Group. We're holding a meetup on the 28th of October virtually, and we're focusing on DevOps this time. So we've got two speakers to talk about DevOps boards and then automation and all that DevOps culture that we now have within the cloud. So should be a good meetup. If you haven't already, please do sign up and come along. We will have a quiz. I am looking at quiz prizes, so we might go down the route again of having a mouse and mouse mat as a prize. But we're also maybe looking at a Fire Stick for a prize. So let us know what you think about prizes and if there's something that you would like, within reason obviously, and we can have a look at that because we want to make it interactive. We want to make these meetups beneficial to the community as well. So get involved and let us know what you think. I've also had the chance to deliver some presentations as well this week. I delivered a Ignite recap to the Techielass team, so it's always good to catch up with them and support their community efforts. And I also did a live stream with the PS Power Hour. I think it was PowerShell Power Hour. And I talked about my career and the journey that I've taken from that on-prem engineer up into a cloud engineer. So yeah, fun times. I think yesterday at Techielass was my 33rd presentation this year, which is phenomenal. I think last year I did about 20, the previous year was about 7, and then the previous year to that was 1. So definitely been on a journey over the last few years in terms of public speaking, and I think I now have about 5 public speaking engagements left over for the year, so there's still a chance to catch me speak if you haven't already caught me at speaking. So yeah, check out my website for more details on that. I've also had some back issues as well, and I don't know if anybody else has had this. I suffer from kind of tight hips and pain sometimes down my legs and just general kind of spasms. I think it might be sciatica. So I've been trying to do some exercises around all of that, and they seem to be helping a little. But and I've also got a massage gun, a Theragun little mini. I think it's in the other room right now, but it's really great and helps in just get out some of those knots as well. So yeah, any tips and anybody on how to deal with potentially sciatica, that would be much appreciated. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the weekend. It looks like it's going to be a dry and kind of sunny weekend up here in Scotland. Nice autumnal weather, so I'll definitely be making the most of that and seeing if I can spend some time outside and just being grateful for being here, having my friends and family all safe, and trying to make the best out of the current situation. So thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you in next week's video.